In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some key differences between graduate programs and undergraduate programs. Coming right up after this. What's happening, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video on the channel. My name is Richard, and on this channel we provide you with tips, tricks, strategies to enhance your international student experience. I also sometimes share my experiences living in the United States for a while, so if this is content that you like, consider hitting the subscribe button and turning on notifications so that anytime a new video drops, you will be notified. Also follow us on Twitter at globe_engaged to stay up to date with previews and sneak peeks of our upcoming videos. Searching for schools and programs, especially as an international student, can be a very troublesome venture to embark on because there are so many different schools and so many different programs to choose from. However, as an international student, it is important that you know the differences between a graduate program and an undergraduate program. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some key differences between a graduate program and an undergraduate program. So if you're ready, let's jump into the video. So the first difference is that undergraduate programs are more general in nature and they offer a wide variety of classes that you can take. These classes that you take as part of your undergraduate class are classes that are not part of the graduate programs. On the other hand, graduate programs are highly specialized programs which offer specific skill sets and training in a particular field. So that is one of the differences between a graduate program and an undergraduate program. An undergraduate program is more generalized and a graduate program is more streamlined or specialized and highly advanced. The second difference is that undergraduate classes are usually large and less individualized, which means that you can find 50, 100 students taking classes for undergraduate programs, whilst in graduate programs, classes are fairly small and are individualized, which means that students will usually work closely with professors and sometimes on a one-on-one basis. Graduate programs usually also focus on research, and so you are working closely with your advisor and you are also working closely with the professor to make sure that your work is getting supervised and you're also learning from these professors as well. So that is the second difference. Graduate programs, small in size, very individualized, and undergraduate programs, large classes, less individualized. So the third difference is that undergraduate programs usually do not require you to write a thesis. However, you may be required to submit a project or even write a sit-down exam, whilst graduate programs require you to write a thesis or a capstone project. Graduate programs also consist of taking classes and doing research at the same time, which means that you are going to be doing some coursework and then you are going to leave room or take some time to do your research. If you are a doctoral student, your research could take a long time depending on the nature of your research. However, some graduate programs may have the option for you to take a comprehensive exam instead of submitting a capstone or a project. So yes, undergraduate programs will not necessarily require you to submit a thesis or a project. You do like a sit-down exam, whereas a graduate program may require you to submit a thesis, a capstone project, or whereas a graduate program may require you to write a comprehensive exam as well as submit a thesis, a capstone project, or any other requirements in order to graduate. It's usually very school specific, but the general rule of thumb cuts across most of the US universities. The fourth difference between a graduate program and an undergraduate program is the fact that undergraduate programs, it is easy to switch major and to switch school entirely, which means that you can literally transfer your credits to a different school and start a new major as well. But with graduate programs, it is difficult to do this since the graduate programs are usually very specialized. So for instance, even when you have 3 graduate students offering psychology, they may be offering psychology. They may be focusing on 3 different fields entirely. So yes, undergraduate programs allow you to pick up your credits, transfer it to a different school, and even change your major entirely. Whereas with graduate programs, it is next to impossible to move to a different school or to change your focus, since graduate programs are individualized and specialized. So here you have it. I'm sure there are a lot more differences between graduate programs and undergraduate programs, but these are the 4 key things that I think could be beneficial to you as you begin your school search process. If you found this video useful in any way, share with me in the comment section below what you found useful. I can definitely learn something new from you. Also, if you've not checked out any of my playlists, click on this link here. I'm also going to leave a link in the video description below to definitely check out some of my other content. I'm sure you'll find something that may entertain you or meet your needs. And if you're watching this video and you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will become part of the beautiful people family. And as always, you are free to follow us on Twitter at globe_engaged to stay up to date with previews and sneak peeks of our upcoming videos. Until I see you in the next video, stay safe out there. Peace.